Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this one, we're talking about how to quickly create subtitles or captions for all your videos using AI. And if you're new here, we have over 200 videography related videos, so lots of content for you to learn from. And if you want to know any of the music or the gear we use to make our videos, I've left all links in the description. Let's jump in. To get started, I have Resolve open. I have a clip that is approximately 10 minutes long in duration loaded into the timeline. And to not waste any time, on the edit page, you go up to where your media pool is, right click on your clip, go to AI Tools, Audio Transcription, and hit Transcribe. This will analyze your entire clip, and if you have a long clip or lots of media, this will take some time, but it is well worth it because it gives you so many more options. And again, it's doing it automatically, so this is a lot easier than doing this manually. In fact, it's telling you right there, it's 17 times faster than playback. Once it's done, it'll launch a new window just like this. This is the AI transcription window, and you can see the entire clip's transcription for everything I said to camera. And this is super powerful because you can literally go to the middle and just, for example, highlight just that, and it will automatically find it in the clip and move your timeline cursor right to it. Or you can search for a specific word and it'll jump to that as well. So this can be handy if you have 2 hours of interview footage and your client is requesting to add a specific part that they said, you don't quite remember where it is, you don't want to listen for 2 hours of footage all over again. So you can use this to quickly find that part and pull it into your clip. And when you find the part you want, you can just highlight that one section. And then when you drag it down, it will just be that one part. In order to create subtitles, there's a different area that you need to go to. And for some reason it's set up like this. Maybe they will fix it in the future. But if you go to the 3 dots here, you'll see that there isn't an option to create it from the audio. So what you have to do instead is we'll close that and click on the actual timeline, then right click AI Tools, and go to transcribe. Now it opens up the same thing. However, this time we will have create subtitles from audio. And then we can go ahead and choose if we want a single or double line, and then the amount of characters per line. So we'll leave it at the default and click on create. And then you can see right above, if we zoom in, here's all the subtitles that were automatically created for us. And if we want, we can click one. You can see the information here. You can edit it, change it how you want. And another really cool thing about this is if you go to the effects and then click on titles, if we go all the way to the bottom, you can see that there's an animated one and a subtitles one. We don't need to highlight or do anything like that. All we have to do is just drag this right onto this track. And then it'll automatically update for every single one, which is pretty handy. And if you do want an SRT file, which is a subtitles or closed captioning file, some clients may ask for that or some platforms, you can go back into the transcribe window, click the 3 dots and click on the export subtitle. And then you can see up here, it'll be a .srt. And that's it for this DaVinci Resolve video editing tutorial. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from us in the future. We have over 200 videography related videos, so lots of content for you to learn from. And if you want to know any of the music or the gear we use to make our videos, all links are in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.